We're back at Porsche Dallas for the March segment of our 2025 Porsche Restoration Challenge. This month, we're concluding our process of tracking down all the needed quarter panels to complete the build. When the car first rolled across the drive, it was a very handsome car. Looked good, presented well. We didn't originally plan to replace both side panels, but once our team examined the existing ones, it became clear they were going to have to come off. At some point in the past, before we got a hold of it, protective coatings weren't used correctly and flash rusting had occurred in several areas. This is why you never touch bare metal. And the metal sees it and instantly starts rusting. Because
Are you serious?
Yep, these are actually handprints. Originally planned to enter this into the 2024 challenge, but what we needed wasn't readily available, and it took us about 14 months to receive the left quarter panel. We didn't want to cut one off an existing vehicle because we didn't feel that was up to quality for the client. After a lot of research, we were finally able to track one down that was located in Utah, and we were basically told that's the last quarter panel of this type on planet Earth, so no pressure.
Is this the only one in America?
Yep.
Well, anywhere in the world?
So this is the original factory sticker, so it's not a 8th month, the 19th day of 1987. And that's when it was in Germany, and then it got over here to North America in 94. So a whole lot better than the one that's on there, though.
Well, way better.
We had no clue we were ever going to be doing anything other than sanding down and repainting the quarter panels, much less replacing them. We're literally building the car from scratch. But once it's done, I mean, if you need major bragging rights, we'll certainly have them. And he'll have literally a one-of-a-kind car.